Hey, I hope you're having an awesome day, just like these cute little cats. They're ready for their next adventure. They probably shouldn't drive, but they're having fun and so will we, because today we are practicing addition. We're going to be putting numbers together. That's what addition is.
I have one fish snack and I get another one. What is 1 plus 1? Yes, 2!
Let's say you have 3 strawberries and someone gives you one more. What's 3 plus 1? Yes, 4! I have 5 fish snacks, but I don't want more. What is 5 plus 0? Yes, 5! Adding 0 changes nothing. Wait, these fish snacks are moving. I don't think my cat wants snacks that swim away. I put 3 bananas and 3 lemons in the cart. What's 3 plus 3? Yes, 6! We had 6 things, now we add 4 apples. What is 6 plus 4? Yes, 10!
There are 5 cats, and 2 more arrive. What is 5 plus 2?
Yes!
What if 4 cats are joined by 4 more? What is 4 plus 4? Yes, 8! Let's test your skills. 3 plus 0? Yes, 3! 7 plus 1? Yes, 8! Let's test your skills. 2 plus 4? Yes, 6! 4 plus 5? Yes, 9! 8 plus 2? Yes, 10! Look at that sleepy kitten. Must the soft music just taking a cozy nap. Thanks for practicing addition with me. You did an amazing job. Addition is just putting numbers together. Keep learning and see you next time.